video, I'm bringing to you highly requested Mardi Gras Wreath. Are you excited? I'm so excited to show you step-by-step instructions how to make one without breaking a bank. Let's get started.
First, check what they have at your local Dollar Tree. I like to get my signs there because they're so budget friendly, and this one comes with 3 additional attachments. How perfect, that's just an added bonus. They also have a variety of different masks. I love this one. Of course, the beads and picks. These are actually from Christmas time as well as ornament balls. So check your stash. Maybe you don't have to buy as much as you think. I couldn't find ribbon at my store, so I had to order on Amazon.com. But I'm so happy with this quality of the ribbon, and it coordinates beautifully with the face mask. Oh, you see, we're so used to the face mask, eye mask, and it doesn't shed any glitter either. I'm planning to use some leftover mesh that I already have. This is 10-inch wide mesh, and you don't need much if you're gonna use your old Christmas base. By the way, my Five Below has them at half price right now. All you have to do is fluff up all the pine tips, and you can also use a regular wreath base as well. You're just gonna need some extra mesh. And as you can see, my Tweety bird is right there, says hi, we really missed you. Oh yes, she loves my homemade bread. Who doesn't, right? Have you tried my bread recipe? It's so easy, so simple and healthy. Go ahead, try it out. Let me know how you like it. Next, we are going to cut our mesh into 10 by 20 inch long pieces. It's really easy. You're just gonna use a 10 by 10 piece of cardboard, and you're gonna fold it over and cut. If you are looking at the signs behind me, they're brand new finds from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, how cute are they? I love the large monarch. I mean, the birds, I don't have to even tell you, right? How much I love the birds. The cute little bee caught my attention there. You know, I'm a sign addict, and $1.25 can't go wrong, right? Now I'm going to show you how to make the craffles. Most of my besties already know. You roll up one end of the mesh 2-3 times, clip it, turn it around, roll up 2-3 times on the other side, walk your fingers across, pinch, and there you go. You got a cute little craffle, which is a combination of a curl and raffle. And now we are going to use the pine tips to tie these craffles all around the wreath. Real easy method. Just to take 2 pine tips, twist tie, and there you go. Let's make another one. Curl up one end, clip it, turn it around, roll up the other end, walk your fingers across, pinch, and there you go. Attach your next craffle. Leave some space in between because we're going to alternate. As you saw, I'm gonna use the black mesh as well. And like I already mentioned, you can also use a regular metal wreath form to make your craffles, and you're gonna need a pipe cleaners to attach your craffles to the wreath form. If you're unsure how to do it, look up this video for step-by-step instructions. It's actually my most popular wreath video. And since we are using the pine base here, you're not gonna need that many craffles. I think I used 5 of each color here. So let's continue making some more. And we are going to attach these in between. Okay, I think this is it. Just 10 craffles. You see how nice and full that wreath is. Next, we are going to cut the ribbon in 12 inches long pieces. I think I paid about $10 for this ribbon. It's nice and thick. We're gonna fold it and then fold it in half one more time. Cut at an angle towards the wired edge, and as you can see, we cut the fishtails on both ends real quick. We are going to fold each ribbon piece in half to find the midpoint, then pinch it and make like a V shape. And then find 2 pine tips to twist tie it in between 2 ruffles. And we are going to tie these all around the outside part of the wreath. How many do you need? Depends on the size of your wreath. I attached 6 and then I squeezed in 1 more, so I got 7. Just eyeball it. Next, I'm going to take apart the sign. Like I already mentioned, I like that it comes with additional attachments. And I love that it comes with the holes all around. Makes it real easy to attach these to your wreath. Just use your floral wire, thread it through 4 corners, twist tie it, and then tie it down in the center of your wreath. If you wish to attach the bow to your wreath, you might want to off-center the sign. But I opted this time, no bow. Can you believe it? I actually want to attach the mask in the center of that wreath, so I just cut off the strings and hot glue it right there on top of the sign and made it look like 3D. What do you think? If you like, you can attach some more ribbons around your sign, but I'm going to add some gold picks. I have only a little bit left over from Christmas, but even that will make a difference, I think. And that's what's great about the Mardi Gras wreath. You can use any old Christmas decor that you have left over or you haven't used in ages, and you can make it work and stretch your dollar right there. And now let's see how we can space out those cute little attachments. You can wire them or just use hot glue because they're really light, they'll stick. These green ornament bowls I got at the Dollar Tree this year and didn't get to use them, so look how perfectly they fit here. Especially the glittered ones, I think. I'm going to attach these diagonally across from each other. And I make an effort to make these stand out, so I put the green on the gold and gold on the green so they're visible. So I play around with the placement and eventually I decide to add these all in a triangle, just like so. And I have a different tone of gold here, so I'm just using what I have. So since I used 3 of everything, I'm going back with the green and going to add 1 more, perhaps here. You can't go wrong when you add your elements in a triangle, right? What else do we need? The beads, of course, right? And since I only have 3 strings, I'm going to cut them in half and I'm going to use the floral wire to tie the ends and make little ties that I could use to attach these to the wreath. And we are going to do the same thing on the other end. We can now drape these on the side of the wreath. Just play around with the placement and see if you can find any pine tips or anywhere you can tie these down to. I love how much color and sparkle these bring to the wreath right away. So festive. I want to party. I never been to New Orleans, but I know I have Louisiana's besties out there. Please comment down below and say hi, okay? Please tell me, how do you celebrate? Do you decorate? Do you cook? Do you have a party? I am originally from Poland, so we fry a lot of good stuff. Pączki, our homemade donuts, chruściki. We actually start early, Fat Thursday, and then we eat and party through the weekend all the way until Ash Wednesday. We call it zapusty. It's a good excuse to eat everything and not to feel guilty about it because it's a tradition, right? All right, we are almost done with our wreath. I'm just looking for a cherry on top. How about a little bit of feather? I'm not sure if I have the right color. These are the boas I always pick out at a Dollar Tree. I think I might just go with the black. It has some gold and silver in it and might be just the right little touch I need. And that completes my DIY for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and have a happy Mardi Gras, my besties.